Have you ever wondered why the simple act of writing down your thoughts can feel so liberating? Welcome to Guy's Calm Kit, where today we unlock the secrets behind one of the most timeless practices, journaling. Across the globe, millions are turning the pages of their notebooks, not just to document their days, but to enhance their well-being. In this digital age, the art of journaling has not only survived, it has thrived, evolving into various forms from bullet journals to dream logs. But what does science say about this practice? Studies from leading psychologists and neuroscientists reveal that journaling does much more than preserve our thoughts. It can actually transform our brain's wiring, enhance our mental wealth, and significantly boost our physical well-being. Join us as we delve into how this powerful tool can help manage anxiety, sharpen our memory, and even strengthen our immune system. Whether you are looking to heal, grow, or simply gain more clarity in life, understanding the science of journaling might just be your first step towards a profound transformation. So grab your notebook and let's start this journey together. Journaling at its core is the practice of recording our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a personal endeavor that can take many forms, each serving different purposes and catering to unique preferences. Let's explore the most popular form today. Bullet journaling, a highly organized method, combines to-do lists, planners, and diaries into a streamlined system. It's especially loved by those who crave structure and efficiency in capturing their days. Reflective journaling, on the other hand, focuses more on introspection and self-discovery, encouraging writers to delve deep into their personal experiences and emotions. Gratitude journaling has also gained prominence. This practice involves regularly noting things one is grateful for, which has been shown to enhance overall happiness and life satisfaction. Each style of journaling offers unique benefits, allowing individuals to tailor their journaling practice to their personal growth and mental health needs. But where did this all start? The history of journaling stretches back centuries, from the travel logs of ancient explorers to the war journals of soldiers and the secret diaries of medieval mystics. Journaling has been a vital part of human expression and self-documentation. It has served as a mirror to the personal and societal currents of every era, offering future generations insights into the lives and thoughts of the past. Today, despite or perhaps because of our digital age, the essence of journaling continues to evolve, yet remains constant. A sanctuary for the mind, a workshop for ideas, and a heaven for emotions. It connects us with our ancestors and likely with generations to come. Journaling is more than just a method for recording events. It's a powerful psychological tool that has profound effects on mental health. Numerous studies have demonstrated how regular journaling can significantly impact our psychological well-being. One of the key benefits of journaling is its ability to reduce symptoms of anxiety. When we journal, we process emotions and events, placing our anxieties into context and understanding them more clearly. This process helps to lessen their impact and makes our fear less daunting. Journaling also plays a crucial role in combating depression. It acts as a coping mechanism that allows individuals to clarify their thoughts and feelings, identify triggers, and strategize on healthier ways to cope with daily stresses. By regularly expressing themselves on paper, many people find it easier to manage negative emotions and improve their mood over time. Moreover, journaling is an excellent stress management tool. The act of writing down one's problems and viewing them from an external perspective can significantly reduce the burden they impose. It's akin to sharing a load with a good friend. The process itself can be incredibly cathartic and comforting. Research further supports this, showing that participants who engage in expressive writing report better mood states and are less likely to suffer from depression after traumatic events. The simple act of writing can help people recover from emotional injuries and find meanings in life's challenges. The beauty of journaling lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It requires no special tools or settings, just a few minutes of your day and a place to reflect. This makes it a uniquely personal and powerful way to enhance your mental health. Journaling's benefits extend far beyond emotional therapy. It also sharpens our mind. By regularly articulating thoughts and feelings, journaling enhances cognitive functions, particularly in areas like memories and comprehension. From a cognitive perspective, the act of writing things down improves memory retention. When you journal, you not only store information, but also process it, which helps in deeper understanding and recall. This is especially beneficial in educational settings or in environments where retention of detailed information is crucial. Journaling also enhances comprehension by forcing the brain to engage in the practice of structuring thoughts and ideas. This mental exercise helps in organizing information logically, making it easier to understand complex concepts and reflect critically on various subjects. Turning to emotional intelligence, journaling fosters a greater understanding of oneself and others. It acts as a reflective mirror, allowing you to examine your emotional responses and better understand the motivations behind your behaviors. This introspective practice not only increases self-awareness, but also enhances one's empathy, a key component of emotional intelligence. By regularly documenting and reflecting on your daily experiences and emotions, you cultivate a heightened emotion awareness that can transform interpersonal relationships. You become more attuned to the nuances of emotional interactions, both in yourself and others, which can lead to more meaningful and harmonious connections. In essence, journaling serves as a powerful tool for mental training, refining both your emotional and intellectual faculties. It prepares you to face life's challenges with a sharper mind and a more empathetic heart. While the mental and emotional benefits of journaling are well documented, its impact extends surprisingly into the realm of physical health. Numerous studies have shown that the regular practice of journaling can lead to significant improvements in overall physical well-being. One of the most fascinating studies comes from researchers who found that journaling about stressful events and deep emotions can actually enhance immune function. Writing down your feelings helps to reduce stress, which in turn lessens the strain on your immune system, allowing it to better protect you from illness. Moreover, journaling has been linked to faster recovery times in patients who have undergone medical procedures. For example, patients who have engaged in expressive writing before surgery were found to have shorter recovery times and fewer complications post-operation. This suggests that the psychological benefits of journaling can translate into tangible physical health outcomes. The act of writing can also help in the management of chronic conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Patients who journal report experiencing fewer symptoms and less discomfort, likely due to better stress management and increased mental resilience provided by their writing practice. Journaling encourages a mindfulness that keeps the body's stress responses in check, which can contribute to long-term health benefits like lower blood pressure and improved gastrointestinal functions. Essentially, the health of the mind and the body are intimately connected, and journaling serves as a bridge between the two. Whether it's boosting your immune system, speeding up recovery, or managing chronic health issues, the power of putting pen to paper goes beyond simple self-expression. It's a practice that nourishes the body just as profoundly as it does to the soul. Journaling is a highly personal practice, but starting can sometimes feel daunting. Here are some practical tips and tools to help you begin and maintain an effective journaling habit. First, choose a journaling method that resonates with your lifestyle and personality. If you are visually oriented, you might enjoy a bullet journal where you can incorporate drawings and layouts. If you prefer structure, a guided journal with prompts might be your best choice. For those who appreciate reflection, a simple notebook for freestyle writing could be ideal. Setting a regular time and place for journaling can also enhance your practice. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or right before bed, find a time when you can be uninterrupted and relaxed. Consistency is key to forming any new habit, and journaling is no exception. Don't worry about grammar or style. The goal is to express your thoughts and feelings openly. Some people find starting with just 3 sentences a day is manageable, gradually increasing as the habit becomes ingrained. As for tools, while many prefer the tactile feel of paper and pen, digital tools are also an option. Apps like Day One or Journey offer convenience and features like mood tracking and photo entries, which can enrich your journaling experience. Try different techniques until you find what works best for you. For instance, some might benefit from stream of consciousness, writing to unload thoughts, while others might find structured prompts helpful to guide their reflections. Remember, the most effective journaling habit is one that fits seamlessly into your life and feels rewarding. It's not about the length or perfection of your entries, but about the regular practice and personal growth it fosters. Even with the best intentions, maintaining a journaling routine can sometimes be challenging. Let's explore some common hurdles that journalers face and provide practical solutions to help you overcome these obstacles. One common challenge is simply finding the time to journal. Life gets busy, and it can be hard to carve out moments for this practice. A practical solution is to integrate journaling into an existing routine. Perhaps you can write while having your morning coffee or during the last few minutes before bed. Even just 5 minutes can be enough to gain the benefits. Another issue is the feeling of not knowing what to write about. This can be particularly daunting for beginners. To combat this, you might use journaling prompts, which are readily available online or in guided journals. Prompts can provide a starting point and spark ideas for what to explore in your writing. Some journalers might feel discouraged if they don't see immediate benefits. Remember, the advantages of journaling are often subtle and accrue over time. Setting realistic expectations and focusing on the process rather than the results can help maintain motivation. Perfectionism can also hinder journaling. If you find yourself getting stuck because your entries aren't perfect, try shifting your mindset. Journaling is not about creating a masterpiece. It's about expressing yourself. Embrace imperfections and allow your journal to be a space for raw, unfiltered thoughts. Lastly, if privacy concerns make you hesitant to write freely, consider digital journaling apps that offer encryption or keep a physical journal in a locked drawer. Feeling secure in your journal's privacy is crucial for honest and uninhibited writing. By addressing these common challenges with simple, actionable strategies, you can make journaling a sustainable and enriching part of your daily life. Keep experimenting with different approaches until you find what works best for you. As we close this chapter on the science of journaling, we've explored the profound impact that this simple practice can have on your mental, emotional, and physical health. From enhancing memory and comprehension to boosting your mood and even improving your immune functions. Journaling is more than just writing. It's a pathway to deeper self-discovery and personal growth. Whether you are just starting out or are looking to deepen your journaling practice, remember that each page turned is a step towards a more mindful and resilient you. We invite you to explore journaling in all its forms and find the style that resonates with your spirit and lifestyle. If you are seeking more ways to relax and find balance, check out Case Calm Kit's guide for beginners on effective breathing techniques. For those looking to stay present and aware, our mindfulness video offers essential tips to enrich your daily routine. And don't forget about our affirmations kit, an empowering tool to help you create your reality and boost confidence throughout positive self-talk. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every word you write is a part of your story. Keep writing, keep reflecting, and keep growing. Until next time, stay inspired and keep turning the pages of your own extraordinary journey.